Welcome to Madam Glam Day 8. Oh my gosh, it has little lights in there. Can you see that? How awesome is that if I do it like that? Maybe I need to turn another light off. Let's see. Can you see it now? Woohoo! It's absolutely gorgeous. Alright, let's put the light back on. Let's put that over there. That's enough fun. It's enough fun. Let's put this other one back on. And let's get into day 8. Day 8. Okay, guys, how are you all doing? We've been, oh my gosh, we've been getting into this unboxing. We've been doing the most. We just opened day 7. Absolute beautiful color. If you forgot, it was Mountain Peak. Look at that. Absolutely stunning. Okay, so 7. What do we have after 7? 8. Here is 8. Number 8, Infinity. So let's see what this is going to be. I've already forgotten because it just felt like so long ago when I did the initial unboxing. But I tried not to concentrate. So, oh, we got a striper, a gel liner in blue. Okay, so you know what that means. You know what that means. We're going to close the box. We're going to put her over there because we're on day 8. And honestly, I'm going to put a little bit of tissue here because I don't want to mess up my thing. So, do you remember this colour? The one I said was like a pink salmon. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let me use my strength. I'm going to just put my gift over there. Sparkly gift. So, let's just, I don't know. What else could we do other than stripe? We have to stripe, right? Let's stripe. O-M-G. OMG, OMG, OMG. OMG. Leave that on my bed for me, honey. I'll do it. You're welcome. Wow. Honestly, I'm supposed to be just doing a strap, but I'm just getting carried away. Ooh. This is beautiful. Yeah, leave it on my bed for me, honey. Alright, thank you. Okay, I am recording. You want everyone to hear your voice? Well, now they do. Wow, this pretty guy. How? I'm so sorry, honey. I'm so mesmerized by this blue. Raven, we never talked about this one. I know my sister's filming as well. Woo! Yes. So, Madam Glam, if you are listening, if you are watching, please, can we have a whole collection of this gel liners, please? Like, they are absolutely awesome. I love gel liners and I love this. I just love the way honestly, I could just really do with some more real estate on this nail, so I could just carry on drawing. Oh my. Okay. I'm gonna just put that away. And I know. Glitter, yes. Not just any glitter. Oops. Okay, this is how you know I absolutely forgot what was going to be inside, because otherwise I would have had the glitter already, right? Ready. Right. Where is my super duper? There it is. Let's just get pot. craft glitter. Oh my goodness. So we're just gonna sugar that. That was literally all that this blue was giving me. Candy cane stripes, candy cane stripes, candy cane stripes. That's what's up. Okay, let's put her in here. She's gorgeous. Wow. That liner is the only one I have, the only Madam Glam liner. Let me tell you about how special she is. OMG. So I'm blown away by day 8. Really am blown away. If you are opening yours daily, you're happy today. Day 8 is awesome. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So that's day 8. Oh my gosh. And that's going to come out of the lamp soon. So as usual, we have our other advent calendar, our Yankee candle. Day 8. Where did I see 8? I know I saw 8 somewhere. I think it was spelt. Yeah, it was. Give me another color. Oh my gosh. It's a white one. Oh my gosh, this is Vanilla Heaven. I love that one. Okay, so number 8, I'm loving. Oh my gosh, Yankee candle. My house is gonna smell just like everything beautiful this Christmas. Like, I always get candles at Christmas, but not that many choices of Yankee candles. So that was when I saw that, it was awesome. So hello, can we please stand up for the blue in the house? How gorgeous is that? OMG. All that needs now is some white lines, right? Woohoo! We're not going to push it because we just don't want to do the most. And day 8 was absolutely awesome, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me today. Please keep your bells on. Tomorrow is day 9. Day 9. On day 9, this is what finally happened. She opened the box. Love ya.